time for the 3 big things you need to know. I got to tell you something. This is some big stuff going on. And if you're self-employed, you're going to want to hear about it. So first of all, first big thing you need to know. Let's do just a little bit about what's going on with your real estate investment. So let's just face it. All the news is talking about the market's going down, housing prices are dropping, and some of that is true. So let's just get the facts right here and right now. First big thing you need to know is sales are down in Central Florida by 13.11%. So that means that there's less houses selling. But I got to tell you something. I got good news for you. And it's a reason to get into the market. Because I'm buying in the market. And if I'm buying in the market, you should buy in the market. Why? Because home sales prices are up 18.21% from this time last July. It just makes sense to buy. Even if we only saw 5% appreciation, you make money when you buy property. We're at 18.21%. Even if it drops to 10, which probably won't happen, but it could get closer to that 15, you're making a ton of money. That's the first big thing you know, and that's the truth about the real estate market. Number 2, I'm going to tell you something. This is a doozy. All these great commercials about people that buy into this iBuyer concept where I'll buy your home. You don't need to pick up your underwear. I don't care what it looks like. You don't need to have anybody see it. And we're going to give you a great cash offer. Well, Open Door, one of the biggest companies in the nation, just got fined by the FTC $62 million for deceptive practices because they're telling you they'll get you more price than an average real estate agent will. They're showing you charts where they do. They're putting fear tactics into you. And they got popped. I love it. I love it. I'm all about the local real estate agent that works hard for you. That's who you choose to help you buy or sell your house. And the third big thing you need to know, this is a big one. So if you're self-employed, pay close attention. Self-employed, 1099, anybody that does not get paid W-2 is self-employed. Now listen, the IRS has just been approved by your federal government to hire 87,000 new IRS agents. You know what they're hiring them for? To audit you. That's right, middle America, the self-employed people, the people that built this country, the great country that we have today. Yep, they're coming after you. And I'm going to tell you, they're going to come after you hard. So if you're one of these self-employed people and you're commingling personal stuff with your business stuff, be ready. They're going to audit you and they're bringing it out, all the guns. But listen, here's how it can affect you and me. Do you know that if the IRS puts you under audit, they can freeze you from getting a mortgage for 3 years, even though you're not even guilty of anything on the audit? If you're under an audit, you can be cut off from getting a mortgage on a purchase or refinance transaction for 3 years. How do you like that? There's your federal government for you, looking out for you good old self-employed people. If you want to buy a home, let's do your taxes right. Come to me. I've got programs to help self-employed people, and I'm here to help you. And those are the 3 big things you need to know. Bam!